Hey everyone, welcome back to our step-by-step guide on how to add scrolling text to your OBS Studio live stream. Whether you want to display announcements, alerts, or other important information, scrolling text can enhance your stream's professionalism and engagement. Let's get started. Open OBS Studio. Ensure you have the latest version of OBS Studio installed on your computer. Now add a new text source. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and select Text. Name your text source and click OK. In the Properties window, type the text you want to scroll across your stream. Customize the font, color, and size to fit your stream's theme. Scroll down in the Properties window and check the Read from File box if you want dynamic updates. Click Filters at the bottom of the Properties window. Add a scroll filter. In the Filters window, click the plus button and select Scroll. Adjust the horizontal and vertical speed sliders to control the scrolling speed and direction. Now position and resize the text. Drag and resize the text box in the preview window to position it where you want. Finally, save and test. Click close to save your selects and test your stream to ensure the text scrolls smoothly. Tips for smooth scrolling text. Use a moderate scrolling speed to keep text readable. Choose contrasting text and background colors for visibility. Keep messages concise to avoid overwhelming viewers. Test your settings before going live to ensure smooth performance. Now you know how to add scrolling text to your OBS Studio live stream. This feature is great for engaging viewers with live updates, announcements, and special messages. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop a comment below.